here again at Seal Beach. SCC, we drove all the way up from Huntington Beach and points around there. We got Mouse in the house, Mouse and Mary. Robert's here, got the cow, and he brought his new 36 Hemi-powered rat rod. Sparkly block and all. What's up, Robert?
What's going on, brother?
Look at that, flagged up and ready to roll. He's just waiting for his spot.
I forgot the pride flag at home for Pride Month.
Man,
So,
lagging.
I know. I'll do better.
But we have the block here, and that might work. No. He did a full metal flake block. It's a trip. Because the rest of this thing is, full rat rod, and then he's got the metal flake going. So yeah, this is his new 36. Spartan. There you go. And we got Ace in the house. And we got the old Franken-10 here. We be rolling. Hey, look at this whole crowd.
You have a bad morning.
Morning, guys.
You need a hug.
I need a hug. Yeah, look.
Cameraman. He needs a hug.
What's up? Morris.
Good morning, sir. Pismo
Just woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
Aaron, what's going
When
on?
I woke up, I didn't have a bed.
All right. Hey. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Got the wagon. Of course, the world famous alley cat. Ready to roll. No roll-ins. Look at this. Nice setup. Flappers. Wow. Sweet. 69 guard. Saw that yesterday downtown. Left here. Look at these guys. 67. Thank you. Put a double deer. Sweet. 69. Nice 70. Rancho 500. Morning. 34 maybe. Oh, there's that square body. Fellow square body owner. We got mine here. All right, Robert finally got a spot. These guys sure didn't make it easy for him. They were parked in there, blocking it. Scab over in the house. Yeah, buddy. What's those fights? Breakfast burritos it is. Oh, it's a beautiful goat right here. Tiger in every tank. White tiger too.